March 7th. Got all the kick trim and quarter round on. We're in Lindsay's craft room. And then all the quarter round in the kitchen underneath the cabinets is in. Dining room. And living room. Kids hallway and bathroom. And the transitions in for everywhere. And there's a little hallway to the garage, a laundry room, transitions in. Carpets in, all the kick trim in. There's no quarter round. In my laundry room, my bedroom, my closet. Got this put in. Just cover the pipe for the dryer. Still gotta do the heat wrap on it, the ducting tape. But this makes it so it's not an eyesore, and I mean, put stuff on top of it necessarily.